11/16/2020. What do we have? We have the S&P E-mini S&P 500 futures before us, and we had a complete spike right up to 36.18 on the vaccine report. And then we have pulled back up. Now we're only up 30.75. Last print was 36.12. On the other hand, on in the U.S. Exchanges on this very Monday, we had a spike above 12,000 last night. I can tell you the high in the NASDAQ 100 pre-market futures was as high as 12,065. Now they're negative 45. Look for stocks like Zoom to gap down, Amazon to gap down, Shop to gap down, Meli, M-E-L-I to gap down. TTD to gap down, NOW Service Desk, Netflix to gap down. Why is it that the S&P 500 spiked on the COVID vaccine news out of Pfizer this morning, which was long awaited for, and the Moderna news, mRNA skyrocketing, long anticipated, 94% efficacy rate. Now, that's not what the Democrats want to hear. That's the last thing they want to hear is a vaccine. Well, I can tell you what, we welcome a vaccine any day, all day. And stay-at-home stocks are getting crushed as it did last Monday. And so, once again, that sector rotation, airline stocks going up, cruise stocks going up, vaccine, can life ever return to normal? But it doesn't matter. What does matter is that the futures have sold off in that NASDAQ 100. The Dow futures were as much as 500 points to the positive. There you were. Dow, what? 30,000. That great rotation, as they say it, it's all volatility. Bottom line, it's vaccine related volatility with Moderna this morning. And then the pent up speculation of what it would mean to have a vaccine and return to normal in our lifetime. But the tech stock, that trade, that short, and those names, the good quality names, continue to go lower with the U.S. futures market popping. This is the Dow futures up 441. They were up 500 and some change and have come well off of their highs. Now, what we're going to see is what kind of euphoric money comes off of the sideline. And the opening bell will be in exactly 40 minutes to the opening bell. Once again, my friends, back to the NASDAQ 100 U.S. market, where all the big heavy tech stocks were down 44 points. And we have big gap down in those names. We'll be watching to see what happened with Google after it got taken up. It's still considered a tech stock, and it is. And nonetheless, there's regulations out of the EU coming in on that one. Once again, we'll see everybody during the regular market trading hours. Vaccine news starting out the Monday morning opening bell gap with lots of stocks, airlines, cruise ships, you name all the beat ones that nobody wants anything to do with. Well, listen, let's just hope that there is a way out of this madness of people having to die every day and be infected. And, human beings are human beings. So let's hope for the best. Outside of the stock market reaction is that we have a reaction of our own called humanity. And yes, so let's hope that that is a good one. We'll be looking for Regeneron, REGN, what kind of news will come out its way with its antibodies. Nonetheless, opening bell starts Good luck, everyone. We know what the news is. We know what the pre-market is. We have the Panther Quant trading system. Sign up for the free 5-day trial. Get those live entry exits.